Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to customize gestures for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. You have to start by open JBL application, then scroll down and click on gestures. Now let's working with the left one. By default we have ambient sound control, so we can enable or disable noise cancelling, but I prefer volume control. So if you prefer it also, you can choose it. Also you can choose playback, but we have it by default on the right one, earbud. So I prefer volume control, and for the right one we have the same, so I prefer to leave it what we have. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.